Eutrophication is a major problem that we're dealing with in our environment today. Eutrophication happens when nitrates and phosphates get run off into the water sources. It makes algae happen, and algae is not good for the water. You don't want that.
When these nutrients feed the algae, they grow and cover the entire surface of the water, which means that the deep water plants that actually produce the oxygen don't get enough light to produce that oxygen, and they die. Because the oxygen is depleted in the water, the wildlife in the pond is affected, like the trout and the salmon.
Since water lacks oxygen that the animals depend on, it's bad news for the environment. Not good. Nitrates and phosphates originate from farm animals and agriculture stuff. What happens is 50 to 70% of the runoffs of these nutrients come from these sources.
Eutrophication doesn't affect every body of water, like small streams. First, in algae, bacteria and fungi use the nitrogen as a nutrient. These in turn grow quickly and become food for aquatic insects and fish. The smaller the stream is, the more efficient it is at trapping nitrogen. Because the nitrogen is removed quicker and travels shorter distances downstream.
Eutrophication ruined my life. It killed all my pet fish that relied on the oxygen and plant life in my little backyard pool. Well, fish for my life, man. Now my heart is a dried up puddle of algae water. This crap is the fertilizer that causes its existence. Damn you, eutrophication.
Don't you dare use fertilizers with nitrogen or phosphorus in them, because what happens is they run off, and when they run off, they're never coming back. They're going to find their way into the waterways and pollute things, and when they're polluted, they're bad, real bad.
The only real solution for eutrophication is to reduce the release of nitrates and phosphates into the world today.
And remember, only you can prevent eutrophication.